The Viyet produce bank, and this video powered by Viyet Bank. What is bank? Is a very common word in a financial background. Bank is a financial institution which provides various financial service and products to its customer. So it provides service. It can be various kind of service, deposit service, treasury service, and a product like ATM card, like current account, saving account, all comes under banking products. Classifications of banks. There are three types of bank: commercial banks, investment banks, and national central banks. Commercial banks, investment banks, national central banks, all banks are in a different kind of banks, but they are interconnected with each other. What is commercial banks? It is a banks which take deposits and make loans. Deposits in the sense your current account, saving account, all are your deposit account where you are investing your money for a safe purpose. And also bank give you loan, that is also comes under commercial banks. So basic features which you are providing or which you are availing, that's all comes under commercial banks. Now second, it's investment banks. The banks which is related to capital market or trading. It is related to your share market account, or you can say the demat account, the account where you are involved to sell or buy specific kind of stock or share. This account go to by banking demat account. So this is the investment bank where you are investing your money for your future profit. What is national central banks? Is the central banks which every country holds. This is the national central banks, is the main banks who circulated other banks. In India, it is a Reserve Bank of India who issue currency and set monetary policy. So how all business going on, what is the interest rate will be comes under all the bank, what is the repo rate, what is the policies bank must follow, what is the feature bank products carry, all these rules and regulations will be set by national central banks. Now what is the classifications of all the banking products? There are many products. The basic products, three type of is the retail banking, trade finance, and treasury operation. Retail banking comes under commercial banks, while trade finance comes under investment bank, and treasury operations comes under national central banks. Retail bankings, which is very much available, which all people know, the deposits, fixed deposits, MIS, monthly income deposits, and your saving account and current account obviously comes under retail banking. And your passbook, which means bookkeeping, all the record of your transactions, also comes under retail banking. Your bonds, like various kind of bonds you must provide in your bank, that's also come under retail banking. Like you are investing your gold, and based on gold you are taking loan, that also comes under bonds, and receiving, that also comes under retail banking. So basic features which normal customer are doing and daily purpose they are using is comes under retail banking. What is trade finance? Is a finance particular section where banking section or department will deal with basic some features like bill of exchange. It is between the two companies who are exchanging their basic features. Promissory note, also it is issued from another person to other person. It is a collecting of draft and bill of exchange, all are comes under Pacific, where they are specific condition will be issue. Like when you are opening your mutual fund, it comes under trade finance. There is a lot of conditions. So you are investing your money to there, or basically you are buying this particular amount, and when this mutual amount will be the high, you have to sell. So mutual fund, all this thing, which is basically comes under the promissory note, where there will be the many more term and conditions, and all comes under trade finance. Treasury operations is the central banks, I told you, national central banks, who are holding the foreign exchange, who are acquiring, holding underwritings, dealing in the shares and debentures, purchasing and selling of the bonds, securities on the behalf of constituencies. Now is the central treasury, who are holding all the departments. Now treasury also have responsible to give the pensions of the pension holder per specific country, or all the central government employees, or maybe state government employees. So treasury operate all the section and the acquiring and holding the money for all the country's purpose. So treasury is the ultimately section from where money is going out to the various banking institutions or various particular institutions who are depend on the central or state government. Thank you very much. If you like this video, please subscribe the Viyet, powered by Viyet Bank. Thank you. The Viyet produce bank, and this video